Hi friends, today we are going to prepare a delicious recipe called fish with brinjal curry. It is very tasty and healthy also. So first of all we will check what are the ingredients required for preparing this recipe. We need to take 2.5 to 3 kgs of fish. Any fish you can take. 2.5 to 3 kgs we need to take. We need to cut the fish into small pieces and you have to clean everything. We need to take 3 big size onions finely chopped. We have to take 4 to 5 green chilies we need to take, and we have to slice that chilies. Salt we need to take as per taste. Red chili powder 3 to 4 tablespoons we have to take. Turmeric powder half tablespoon we have to take. Ginger garlic paste 3 to 4 tablespoons we have to take. Tamarind we have to take around 30 to 40 grams. We need to soak this tamarind in water for at least 10 minutes, and we need to take the tamarind pulp. Brinjal we need to take around 3 to 4 finely chopped spring onions, finely chopped cilantro. We need to take around half cup of oil. Let's see how to prepare this brinjal with fish curry. First of all, we need to switch on the stove and we need to take a bowl in that one. After bowl getting heated, we need to add oil in that one. In this one, first of all, we will add curry leaves to the oil. It is optional, you can add, or without adding curry leaves also you can make. After adding curry leaves, we need to add sliced chilies in the oil. After adding chilies, we need to add finely chopped onions in this one. We need to fry these onions until it becomes light golden brown color. After onions getting light golden brown color, we need to add salt as per taste. Now we need to add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now we need to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. And now we need to add ginger garlic paste. We need to cook this mixture until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. In this masala mixture, now we will add 1 cup of water. We need to cook this mixture along with water for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can see the oil separates from the masala mixture. Until that, we need to cook this mixture. Now we need to add the fish pieces to this masala mixture. One by one we need to add. After adding fish pieces to the masala gravy, we need to mix all these things very gently. No need to mix so many times. If we do that, the fish pieces will be broken. We need to cook this fish pieces along with masala gravy for around 2 minutes. Now we will add spring onions to the fish pieces. We can add the spring onions before also. At the time of adding onions, we can add these spring onions. Later also we can add, not an issue. Now we will add the sliced brinjals to this fish curry. We need to mix these brinjal and the spring onions to the fish pieces. We need to mix these very gently, not very fast manner and not so many times. If you do that, the fish pieces may broken into pieces. Now we need to add the tamarind pulp to this one. Tamarind juice or tamarind pulp we can call anyhow. Now we need to add tamarind juice to these fish pieces. After adding tamarind pulp to this fish pieces, we need to mix all these ingredients very gently. And if it is very good, if you mix all these things all together with the bowl, it will be very good. After mixing all these ingredients, we need to cook around 5 to 7 minutes. The total fishes, raw fish won't take much time to cook. So around 5 to 7 minutes, if we cook, the total fish curry with brinjal will be ready. We need to add coriander to this one. And if we cook for around 5 to 7 minutes, the fish curry, that means fish with brinjal curry, will be ready. Finally we will add some more coriander and the curry is ready to serve. So friends, please try this curry at your home and enjoy the taste of the curry.